Hey everyone, today we're diving into the massive shift from old school call your broker stock trading to the super fast world of online platforms. We're going to break down how this digital leap has totally changed the game for investors just like you.
So, if you're just starting out with investing, it is totally normal to feel a little lost. Our source material uses this great old term, tenderfoot. You log into your account, see all those flashing numbers and charts, and it can feel like a lot. But hey, don't sweat it. We're about to make it all make sense. I mean, just listen to this quote. It really paints a picture of how things used to be. Imagine trying to give instructions over a bad phone line, hoping the person on the other end heard you right. A simple buy instead of sell, or getting the price wrong, that was a real, common risk.
Right, so let's hop in the time machine for a second. Before the internet, trading was all about manual work, stacks of paper, and a whole lot of waiting. And let me tell you, you needed a ton of patience.
Just look at how slow this was. On day one, you'd call your broker. Then you'd just wait for a day, maybe two. And then, a few days later, you'd finally get a piece of paper in the mail confirming it all. Think of all the market changes and opportunities that could just vanish in that lag time.
Okay, now let's jump back to today, the online revolution. This wasn't just a small change, it completely rewrote the rulebook. All of a sudden, the market wasn't some far-off place on Wall Street, it was right there, at your fingertips.
So what is online trading really? Well, it's pretty simple. It's just buying and selling stocks yourself through your broker's website or app. That's it. No more phone calls, no more waiting for someone else. You are in the driver's seat now.
And you know, getting started is way easier than most people think. You probably have everything you need already. A computer, a phone, internet. The barrier to entry isn't some fancy finance degree anymore. You've pretty much already got the keys to the kingdom. Okay, this is where it gets really exciting. Because online trading doesn't just make things more convenient, it gives you a whole set of new superpowers. We're talking about mind-blowing speed, total control, and access to information that used to be for the pros only.
The difference between the old way and the new way is just night and day. The risk of someone hearing you wrong? Gone. Replaced by automated precision. That multi-day waiting game? It now happens in seconds. And you're not stuck with office hours anymore. The biggest change? You're not dependent on anyone else. You are in full control.
I love this phrase from our source. It's just perfect. The whole thing is automated. And yeah, it's as quick as a bunny. You click a button, the system does its thing, and your trade is executed at the best possible price. Just like that.
And here is a perfect practical example of what that control means for your wallet. Okay, follow me here. You decide to sell a stock at $5.20. But then, whoa, you see the price jump to $5.40. With an online platform, bam, you instantly cancel that old order, submit a new one at the higher price, and pocket that extra cash. Just try doing that over the phone with a busy broker. So how do you use all this newfound power? Well, let's take a quick peek inside your personal command center, the typical online trading platform, and see what kind of tools you've got.
This is such a powerful feature. The bids column literally shows you what other investors are offering to pay for a stock right now. And the offers column shows what people are willing to sell it for. It's a live snapshot of supply and demand, and it gives you incredible insight for making your own moves.
But it's way more than just buying and selling. Our source calls these platforms a wellspring of ideas, and that is so true. You can track how your investments are doing, read expert research, see your profits and losses update live, and manage all your money all from one single screen. It's your entire toolkit in one place.
So, when you put all of this together, the speed, the control, all these tools, what's the ultimate result? It's not just about convenience. It's about empowering you to become a much smarter, more strategic investor.
We've all heard it. Timing is everything in the market. Well, the ability to react to news and price changes in a split second can make a huge difference. As this quote points out, online trading gives you the power to actually act on timing, to seize those opportunities the moment they appear.
So really, the whole online advantage boils down to these three key things. Control, giving you complete authority over your decisions. Efficiency, which saves you time, money, and hassle. And transparency, so you can see exactly what's happening with your money whenever you want.
At the end of the day, the message is really clear and honestly pretty inspiring. It's all about taking the steering wheel of your own financial future. It's about switching from being a passive passenger to being the one in the driver's seat.
The investing world has changed for good. The tools and the information that were once locked away are now available to everyone. So the only question left is,
With this much power right at your fingertips, what's your first move going to be?